Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to see deleted signal messages on any phone using a simple and safe method. We will be using direct chat app from Play Store to recover deleted chats without touching your signal backup. So let's jump straight into the steps. Open the Play Store and search direct chat. Select the direct chat heads and bubbles. Select the install option. After the installation done, open the app, give it the necessary permissions. Overlay permission, turn it on, select the direct chat and turn on allow display over other apps. Then go back, enable notification, turn it on, direct chat, allow notification access, turn it on and select allow. And then go back and select get started. Select this right arrow option. And now select the applications. Now select this dismiss option. Disable everything in this list. Select add more option and select turn on the signal and go back. Signal application has been added. Now again go back and select test chat head. You can able to see this icon appear on top of the screen. Now you can close this application and open the signal app and start using normally. If someone sends a message and deletes it, just open the direct chat and you will be able to see everything that was removed. For example, text, emojis, and even some media previews. And that's it. Your deleted signal chats are now fully visible. And that's how you can see deleted signal messages on any phone using the direct chat app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more signal tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.